Fiji, a tropical paradise, beckons with its crystal clear waters and friendly locals. But before you dive into this island adventure, let's navigate the essential travel rules and regulations to make your journey as smooth as the gentle Pacific waves. A passport valid for 6 months beyond your arrival date is your golden ticket to Fiji. And depending on your citizenship, a visa might be your next checkpoint. Some travelers can obtain a visa upon arrival, but it's wise to confirm with the Fijian embassy beforehand. After all, who wants to wait in line when there's a beach calling your name? A round-trip ticket is more than just a piece of paper. It's your promise to return home. Fiji also asks you to show you can fund your island escapades, whether through cash, credit, or traveler's checks. And remember, if you're carrying over FJD 10,000, declare it to avoid any trouble in paradise. Yellow fever vaccination certificates are a must if you're arriving from an affected area. This tiny document, obtained at least 10 days before travel, is your shield against a serious mosquito-borne disease. Don't let a mosquito bite be the most memorable part of your trip. Fiji's beauty is protected by strict import and export laws. Leave the weapons, drugs, and endangered species at home. And while you might love your exotic fruit, Fiji's customs officers might not share your taste. Always check for permits when in doubt. With your passport, visa, funds, and health checks ready, you're set for an unforgettable Fijian holiday. Just keep the rules in mind, and the only thing you'll need to worry about is which island to explore first. Welcome to Fiji, where your dream vacation awaits, just beyond the customs desk. Book with a Fiji specialist at Far and Away Adventures.